Yeah, I got a 2025 Santa Fe here, and gonna install the crossbars for the roof. The code is a part number. Let's get this box open. Let's see what we got in here. So that QR code is for the directions, because most of the stuff doesn't come with them anymore. It looks like this does have some basic instructions in here. It's a quick reference guide. There's probably more on how to use them and install them, but it's kind of the same thing. Let me get these unwrapped. As you can see, one is longer than the other. This front one is longer. That's going to go on the front of the vehicle. The shorter one on the back. You can see it has these ridges here, the lines. That should be facing the front of the vehicle. Now you can probably get them on the other way. But the way they're designed, if you go the other way, the wind noise will be more. Yeah, so you can see in this picture here, design with the ridges there should be pointing forward. And it shows different sizes there for front and rear. So like this longer one is the front. We got to get these covers off. We can stand this up a little. So we're going to put like a little screwdriver in there and just pop it off. Set it here to make it easier. Kind of pry up, and it has a little wire in there to kind of hold it. I'm just gonna go in there and just pop it up. Just clips in. Some little tabs there, little clips. We're gonna open it. We do have a key with it. There we go. It's just a simple bolt thing there. Now we got to get a Allen key for these. That simple bolt just kind of goes in that hole, turns, and that's what locks it. Now we're simply going to take the Allen key that it came with, loosen these up. You don't need to take them out all the way. On the bar there. And then tighten them more than that. We gotta get the other side. Other side here. And then now you can, to make them even, you could probably find this line here and just do a measurement and do the same on that side. using this line, or if you want to put it right up to it. A little distance, you don't need a tape measure, you can just use your finger, or you can use the tool itself. Just bring it to the other side and slide it to the same. And then we'll just tighten them down. Secure, I can shake that, nothing. To the other side. Everything's secured. Put a lock back on. There we go. And this cover, I'm just going to slide these tabs under the top. Nothing is working for me today. There we go. So this side I'm just fine. I got the other one finally. Loosened it, tightened it, adjusted a little bit. Sides in there, those caps on. So you don't obviously have to lock them. You could just put the caps on if you don't want the locks on there, it's fine. I'm going to go back here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to measure. Give them the same distance on each side from a set point. You use any point you want. And if you need to adjust them a little bit, there is screws there to widen them or shorten them. So if you want it on this back bar, you may have to do a little adjusting there. Make sure you tighten them after you do that. We'll get this on, we'll see how it looks. And there we go on the car. We don't have really room to get back. There we go. So hopefully this was helpful with the crossbars for the roof. Hit the like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.